Hey there, welcome to another Dylan Does tutorial. I'm going to be looking at how to connect to the Internet Explorer. A lot of the times when you're using VBA, you need to grab internet data or import or scrape or just do something with a web page. So this is how you would do it. We'll just show what it's going to do. We're just going to go straight to Google, and that's it. So let's get rid of this before you can look at it. Alright. As always, we're going to sub and create a connection that is connect to internet, and it will answer it for us. So the very first thing, like usual, we're going to create an object that is going to be the IE, or Internet Explorer, as an object, and we're going to set this object equal to a new Internet Explorer application. There we go. Check it for errors. Dim IE as object. Set the IE object as an object Internet Explorer, and that is spelled correctly. I like to make my objects visible because I just like to see what they're doing, and frankly, in a tutorial, it's pretty boring if you don't see what it's doing. So there we go. We have set that to, oh, I don't want that false. I want that true. There we are. So we've set our object IE to true, and now we're going to start manipulating it. So we need to catch an error. So if we have an error, we're going to skip the line that is making the error using this on error resume next. And usually the error will occur if someone puts the wrong URL in. So let's navigate to http://www.google.com, everyone's favorite website. And we're going to do a couple things. We're going to do events where, if there is an error number that is not equal to 0, which essentially means when an error pops up, it always has a number. So if there's no error, then it's going to be equal to 0. Then we're going to quit our IE object using this quit method. We're going to reset our object IE equal to nothing, and we're going to go to the start, which is going to be a variable up here called the start. Not a variable, sorry, just a marker. So essentially what we've done is if we run into an error, we got to quit the IE Explorer, make it clear, and we're going to go all the way back to the top. And let's end that if I make sure it's indented correctly for readability. And now we need to make a loop and wait until our object is ready by using this ready state. And ready state 4 means that everything is loaded. So let's check that out. If we press play, we should have something that's very useful. And there you go, we have a Google web page. Now, I don't know, we would probably do more with macros, but for all intents and purposes, we'll stop here. Thanks. Come back for more.